Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Whenever you see a successful person, you only see the public glories, never the private sacrifices to reach them. Try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of value.